draft.
The Mccl Cements Employees Union (MCCEU) yesterday met Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and handed over the letter to him, reiterating the various demands related to pending salaries and other dues. MCCEU General Secretary Pins Kemlang Lingdo said that the Chief Minister informed the delegation that he would convene a meeting of all stakeholders after the Lok Sabha election results next month to decide on the fate of MCCL. The union also sought support for a voluntary retirement scheme (VRS) and a golden handshake scheme.
Kejingwan ketu jungi menteri ramba kadikasi kalau ba pang si point kalau ba min ai reminder kalau itu kini point ki bang lagi submit sa government sa punishment kita gilong ba kabalikong kalau ba kat hidu baka pelan kanda daya kador ka jingerap di ban ai ni financial assistant kimdai bentu ka ba kalau ba ngidang community ba ka pelankan ya buat ka balai kalau ba kalau ka BRS buat ka betul golden handshake scheme.